In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host or create a meeting on Google Meet using a desktop PC. Whether you're setting up a casual catch-up with friends or arranging a formal business meeting, Google Meet makes it super easy, and I'm here to walk you through the process step by step. First, let's get started by opening your preferred internet browser and navigating to Google Meet's website. Once you're there, you might need to sign in if you're not already logged in. Simply enter your Google account credentials and you should be good to go. Now that you're on the Google Meet homepage and signed in, you'll notice the new meeting button prominently displayed. Click on that and you'll see several options available. Let me break these down for you to help you make the best choice for your needs. The first option is create a meeting for later. This is fantastic if you want to generate a meeting link that can be used at a later time. It's convenient for meetings that aren't starting right away, but you want to have everything set up beforehand. The second option is start an instant meeting, which as the name implies lets you launch the meeting immediately. This is perfect for those ad hoc gatherings that need to happen right away. Lastly, there is schedule in Google Calendar. Selecting this option will open Google Calendar, allowing you to schedule the meeting for a future date and time. A great choice when you need to organize meetings well in advance and want them to appear on participants' calendars automatically. Once you've decided on how to set up your meeting, it's time to think about participants. After initiating the meeting, you'll see a meeting link appear on the screen. Click copy to easily share this link with others, ensuring they have access to join the meeting. Alternatively, if you prefer to send out email invitations, simply click on Add Others and choose the contacts you wish to invite, sending them direct invitations via their email addresses. When you and your participants are ready and in the meeting, it's important to familiarize yourself with the control menu at the bottom of the screen. Here you can manage your microphone and camera settings, ensuring you're seen and heard as needed. There's also the option to present now, which allows you to share your screen with everyone in the meeting. This can be especially useful for presentations, demonstrations, or when you want to walk everyone through something you're sharing on your desktop. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to hosting or creating a meeting on Google Meet using your desktop PC. Now that you know how to set everything up and manage invitations and settings, you're well equipped to handle your online meeting needs with ease. So go ahead, start creating and hosting meetings just like a pro.